The next inference, valid inference of propositional logic that we're going to consider is analogous to the indirect pattern in predicate logic. All A's are B's. We have the Venn diagram again. X is not a B. In other words, it's outside the circle of B. Well, obviously, X is not an A. Now, the indirect mode of inference in modus tollens in propositional logic is called modus tollens. It's denying the consequence, sometimes called. So the idea is indirect. It's because we're using a negation, so it's going and we're kind of moving backwards in a direction. So if we get if P then Q, we know if all times P is true, Q is true. Not Q is true, so we know it's outside the Q, so it has to be outside P also. Now let's look at an example. So the not Q is outside. That's why I made it red to indicate it wasn't there. Okay, indirect inference, P then Q, not Q, therefore not P. Okay, and let's look at an example of this. If JZ is a mother, then JZ is female. Right? That seems to agree. JZ is not a female. That's why we made it red. JZ has to be outside. Therefore, JZ is not a mother. So there you have the indirect inference. Second premise has a not, and it's going from the right to left. It's letting the not go through from right to left. If that helps, if you're confused about it, that is my left right. Ignore the statement completely.